Welcome back to the Young Handyman channel. Today I will be repairing these broken Bagel Tongs sticks with the help of my older sister. So I really love bagels, and to get them out of the toaster, I don't want to move my hands. So I use bagel Tongs, and apparently this one broke also a long time ago. That's why you can see some glue here and here. And the Young Handyman channel, which is my brother, he fixed this one. Exactly this one. But it broke again. So I'm gonna fix this one today. So I'm gonna repair these tons, and I'm gonna show you how did I repair these tons, and how am I gonna repair these tons, and what tools will I use. So truthfully, I'm gonna use the Dremel to remove this glue. And I'm gonna use another wire brush to remove the glue. So you may be wondering, how do you put this in? So first of all, when you put it in and you just turn it on, it'll just fly off. But if you put it on, click the lock, it's supposed to lock it in, and you screw this on while holding the lock. It will lock it in. See, I'm holding it. This. On the Young Handyman channel, we always put on safety goggles first for safety.
So the actors in my channel's name.
So I'm gonna do the same thing. The safety. And if you're wondering how do you turn it on, like this. And this is how you can tell how much power it is. If you put it like this, it'll be very fast spinning. But if you put it like this, it'll be very slow spinning. So you can control which one. I'm gonna turn on this, and I'm gonna use the wire brush to remove the glue. So make sure that you're holding this very tight. First, I want to make sure that it's still on, because I don't want to find it anywhere. So now, so as it spins, if it spins that way, it makes the glue when it's touching, it makes it fly away this way, where my eyes are. So that's why I have goggles. Now, my older sister, that's 8, will do it. I mean, that's 9 now. She used to be 8, so. soon there's gonna be no more glue on that stick. But there still is a little glue on this stick. So I'm gonna do a little bit on this. Just a little. Because you see this right now. So now, there's maybe a glue here, but I know there's some glue here. So I'm gonna do something here. So I know there's some glue here, so I'm gonna get that one over off. So now, we're gonna have to unlock it, which I did lock it, so I think. Oh, yeah, this is it. That's not it also. We just need to twist this thing. No, this is black. Now Hannah's gonna remove the bit. So this goes in here. Put this to the side. I'm gonna make it fall over here. In case if it falls, I just don't want it to fall. Now that we removed the old glue, we are gonna put it. So first, we're not gonna squeeze it. Gonna put it on the tooth. So I think my sister. Now, and is there any on the lid because maybe because I don't want to lie, I'm just gonna take some. So I'm putting the toothpick in the glue to get some glue on. So this is called liquid nails, and it can be used to wood and other type of projects. So now I am actually first I'm going to be putting a very small thin layer of glue to both sides. Oh, my sister is going to do that. So I'm gonna need, so I'm not squeezing it. I'm putting the toothpick in the glue. So when I'm spreading the glue, it's hard because it's not straight. So you may not get all of the parts. Wait a minute. There we go. What I meant is it's hard to put on glue, but on wood. It still works. Like I said, it can also go on wood. I don't know how much glue I need because I never done this before. I don't do any tests because I'm experimenting. Now that I glued this bit, I'm gonna give this to my sister. So I think you should put some new glue. My sister is camera side, so I'm gonna explain what she's doing. So as I did on this one, it's hard. And because, again, we never tested this, to be fair. So we don't know how much glue we're going to have to use. So that's why we may be getting the glue a lot of times. So yeah, that's enough. That's enough. Put all the extra glue like that. So now, Hannah, please put that down. Now that we have all the glue, I am going to join together. Just like that. And now we just need to let it rest for a little bit. Now Hannah's going to check to make sure that it is straight. I'm going to close the glue. So now I'm going to clamp them together using these quick grip clamps, and we're going to need a lot of these. So we're going to need some weight. Hannah, you can tighten them once I'm done. So now Hannah is going to put one in the middle. It's nice and tight and solid. Now Hannah, remember, do not do it too tight. And that's enough, that's enough. And don't do it anyway, that's already enough. And you don't need to do it anyway. And you're going to do too much here then. Just finish gluing the two tongs together, and in 24 hours, we're going to check on them and see how they got. I want to thank my sister for helping me out, and for my dad, who's the filming right now, who's teaching me how to. And for this bye, I think I would like a little. Hannah, you do this bye, I'll do this bye. Bye. Bye.